Alright, we're back again for part 9 on this GSX exhaust. Hopefully we'll be through with this soon, because I'm a bit bored of it, to be honest. I come up with a little idea for welding this up. If you've ever worked with stainless, you'll know this stuff, when you weld and give it a load of heat, it gets more distorted than a high school history lesson. I just want to finish off this weld underneath here, which I can't get to with it on the other engine there, but with having the spare engine I can fit it upside down and zip a weld up, so I'm just going to do that with both of these and then get them cut back to where we can extend it down underneath the bike. That's where I want to be tonight, with the two lengths on the bottom of here, maybe with the frame drilled and some new mounts put in, because I don't like these tabs on the bottom. They were an afterthought 12 years ago, so I'll do away with them and make some better ones, put some riv nuts in or something like that. But I'll get to that in a minute. Anyway, for now I'll just weld this up. That's probably enough of a little bit of glue on there to mould that so it doesn't sweep too much. I'll let that cool down while I get the other one off, and just try and unbolt it and make sure it doesn't tweak in or out. If not, I mean, there's going to be loads of flex on them anyway, but I'd like to get it just so it's easy to fit on and off, like you'd find with a stocker, you know. That's basically where I'm at with it. Okay, I think that's cool. Back in a second. Alright, so we just went away and finished welding these up. That side of it's done now. I'm not going to bother polishing or cleaning them welds out, because underneath no one's going to see it. With them not being quite symmetrical underneath because of this clearance here, this one's going to need a little filler piece in there, so that when I put the straight pipe down there, we're getting the gases exiting there, you know, clear, not restricted, no bottleneck in it. I won't be running any baffles, so we're not going to worry too much about the back pressure there. And then over here is, well, I'll just turn you around. These bits of pipe here, these are the bits that are going to go right underneath, and I'm going to carve these two halves of a U out and make them into like slash cuts. Slight turn out on both sides of the bike, so blow the grass and the leaves away. That's my excuse anyway. So I'm going to stick them on there and then see how long they go underneath the bike and how much we need to chop off here, and you'll see we'll make it fit together somehow. While that other bit cools down, I'll get these two bits stuck on here. As you can tell, minimal planning has gone on to this as usual. Basically bits of metal I've had sitting here in the bottom of the fridge, and now holding that down straight so we can get a tack on it. I hope you can see what I'm doing, but it doesn't matter, I suppose. Right, so they're welded up, they're cooled down. While they were doing that, I cleaned up that little filler piece I did on the downpipe there. So I've got to rip up these lumpy welds here, and I want to make that slash cut a little bit more, a better shape, basically, and try and match it on the other side. As usual, I can't get the camera into a decent position, so I'll apologise in advance if my arm's in the way or whatever. Most of this will be on fast forward anyway, but you know, stop me in the comments if you wanted to see anything properly or see anything more closer detail, you know what I mean. Hopefully you can see that we're getting somewhere near the shape now. We'll get in there with the die grinder and take that sharp edge off, you know, but otherwise it's getting kind of symmetrical. Just try and eyeball it, same as the other side. As usual, no measurements going on here, just messing about. Not all that different, so we can get them even closer, but for now I'll get these welds off. How do you feel that now? I'm just going to do the same with the other one now, and I'm sure you don't need to see that job twice, so I'll pause it until we're sticking them onto the bike. Okay, unfortunately we're out of space on the old camera thing here, the old box brownies run out of film. So I'm gonna cap this one off tonight, but I'll just show you where we're up to. Basically, I've chopped that little notch out of there. That's gonna fit in like that. I've taped the sock around here so that acts as a spacer on the frame. And you can see we've got a little flare out on the on that slash cut there. That is going to get cut off, but I'll get on with all that once I've edited this bit off and I can free up some space on this camera. So in the meantime, keep it between the ditches and I'll see you tomorrow.